In this video, I'm going to show you on how you can make an SOP in ClickUp while also showing you the three parts of a great SOP. So, without further ado, let's begin. First, open your web browser and go to app.clickup.com and log in to your ClickUp account. Once you're inside your main dashboard, go to Create and go to Templates. From here, simply type in SOP and you should see all of the templates regarding SOPs. Now, one of this should be like this, an SOP template. Streamlines the process of developing and introducing standardized procedures throughout your organization. So let's use this template. Now, choose a document name. Then, on which space do you want this doc to be created? From here, you should see this is our standard operating procedure or our SOP. So this is now a step-by-step process. So you can see here is the procedure. You can use clips and screenshots to ensure that the process are thoroughly documented. And if you even want to add pages, simply click right here. So since this is free, you have full access and is capable of customizing this to fit your needs. Also, you can now add the start of the process, the end of the process, or the stop, and also all of the steps needed, which is the great three parts of a good SOP: the start, the stop, and the steps. And that's it. So, if you find this video helpful and want to support our channel, feel free to use our affiliate links given in the video descriptions. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.